Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we have a collaboration with Bodhi dog, and it's a palm balm to moisturize my dog's paw. She's Candy, my coton de Tuliar, and my name is Lorena. Today I'm going to show you how I cut the hairs of my dog's paw and how I use this balm on hair. Please keep watching. I'm using these scissors. It have round edges, and the screw that you see it has to always look up and you can cut hairs perfectly. The first thing that I'm going to do is grab the back leg and I will cut the little hairs. And I always make her smell her own hair. Maybe this is funny for you, but guys, it works. Because in this way my dog participate and feel comfortable. If you see, she's calm and lets do everything. If your dog is crazy or hyper, please, I don't recommend that you work with your doggy at that time. It's better if he or she is calm. It's the best time to do this. You have to practice and practice, and don't forget, reward only a good behavior. I'm cutting the little hairs of my dog paw, and you know what? I have let them grow because I have to record this video for you guys. She was sleeping on the wooden floor in my house. Poor my girl in this time, but yeah, I'm working on it. Cut very carefully the little hairs, and if you need to relax and also your doggy, put a relaxing music for dogs or human on YouTube. If you put some relaxed music, you will be calm, and that energy is related to your doggy. This is a paw balm that Bodhi dog sent me. All information, don't worry, below in my info bags. And right now I have taken some product with my finger. And then I'm going to slowly moisten my dog's paw one by one. Look how my dog's paws are beautiful, right? Okay guys, if you can buy this product, don't worry, I'm going to leave you below in my info bags the video with how many products to use on your dog's paw. Remember that you have to make your dog participate. Let him sniff the balm so he won't be afraid and allow you to work with him. I hope this video helped you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have recipes for you every Wednesdays and videos all about dogs every Saturday. Please press the like button if you think this product works so good. And I want to tell you, I like to put this balm on my dog in the night because the paws are going to absorb the product better all night, and it doesn't make my house dirty with a balsam. But honestly, this balm is not too greasy than others that I may used in the past. Well, Candy is starting to be a little bit crazy because she knows that we are finishing. Then she's going to the window to sleep, and I like it because the balm perfectly moisturizes her paws. Now I will reward my dog for a good behavior with a cookie. Please only reward your doggy only if he has a good behavior, okay? And this is the product, and don't worry, all ingredients and benefits about this balm will be down in my info box and all about the brand, okay? Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.